In front of me is Nubia Pad 3D, and today I would like to show you how you can disable Google Passwords Autofill. Begin by accessing Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google. Then select Autofill, Autofill with Google, and the switcher next to Use Autofill with Google. As you can see, after that my switcher and all of those features are gray, which means that autofill is off. To switch it back on, click on the same switcher again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!